Neo-retro sports bikes are booming. Brands like Triumph have capitalized on the growing trend for compact, stylish, and fun-to-ride motorcycles. But what if I told you BMW might be the next big player in this segment? But why should BMW even consider entering this market? Well, the 400 to 500 cubic centimeters category is booming right now. Triumph, Royal Enfield, and even Harley-Davidson have been making waves with their neo-retro offerings. These bikes attract both newer riders and seasoned motorcyclists looking for something fun and manageable. Let's talk strategy. If BMW were to introduce a bike like the G45R, they'd be going head-to-head with the Triumph Speed 400, Harley-Davidson X500, and even Royal Enfield's lineup. Triumph, in particular, has proven that riders love neo-retro bikes that offer approachable performance without sacrificing style. These bikes offer a unique blend of nostalgic styling and modern tech, making them incredibly appealing to urban riders, weekend warriors, and even those looking for something lighter and less intimidating than a full-size motorcycle. BMW has already shown they can produce everything from big cruisers like the R18 to entry-level models like the G310R. But there's a clear gap in BMW's lineup when it comes to a middleweight, neo-retro sports bike. So could the G45R be the answer? The heart of the BMW G45R concept is a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Compact, light, and perfect for both city commuting and spirited weekend rides. While a single cylinder might not sound as exciting as a parallel twin or a V-twin, it offers great low-end torque, ease of maintenance, and that punchy, responsive feel that makes smaller bikes so much fun to ride. BMW could position the G45R as a premium option in this space. Perhaps slightly more expensive, but with more refined engineering, build quality, and of course, the BMW badge. This could attract riders who want a stylish mid-range bike that's still packed with personality and backed by BMW's reputation. Designed by renowned motorcycle artist Oberdan Betzi, the BMW G45R concept gives us a glimpse of what a 450 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder neo-retro sports bike from BMW might look like. Clean lines, minimalistic yet sharp details, and the iconic BMW badge. This bike could be a serious contender in the middleweight market. So, what do you think? Should BMW take the plunge and release a neo-retro sports bike in the 400 to 500 cubic centimeters range? Could the G45R concept become a reality and challenge Triumph's and Royal Enfield's dominance in this space?